When it comes to choosing the perfect windows for your home in Nampa, Idaho, functionality and durability are key considerations. Nampa's diverse climate, with its warm summers, cold winters, and occasional rain, calls for windows that provide energy efficiency, weather resistance, and aesthetic appeal. Awning windows are an excellent choice for homeowners in Nampa, offering a combination of practical benefits and stylish design. Here are the top reasons why awning windows are a fantastic investment for your home. Superior ventilation in any weather. Nampa's weather can shift quickly, from sunny skies to sudden rain showers. Awning windows, with their top-hinged design, open outward to create a protective slant. This design allows you to keep your windows open even during light rain, ensuring consistent airflow while keeping water out. Proper ventilation is crucial in areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and basements, where moisture can accumulate. Awning windows provide a steady flow of fresh air, helping to reduce indoor humidity levels and improve overall air quality. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Nampa's climate ranges from hot summers to chilly winters, making energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Awning windows are known for their excellent insulation properties, especially when paired with energy-efficient features like low-E glass or double-pane construction. During summer, these windows help keep your home cool by reducing heat transfer, while in winter, they prevent drafts and retain indoor warmth. By minimizing the strain on your HVAC system, awning windows can significantly reduce energy bills, making them an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. Weather resistance for Nampa's climate. Nampa homeowners need windows that can withstand a range of weather conditions, from summer storms to winter frost. Awning windows are built with strong seals that provide excellent protection against wind, rain, and snow. Their outward opening design ensures that water and debris are kept outside, even during heavy rains. For added durability, many awning windows are available in materials like aluminum, vinyl, or fiberglass, which resist warping, rust, and corrosion. These features make them a long-lasting solution for Nampa's ever-changing weather patterns. Low maintenance for busy homeowners. Life in Nampa is often bustling, and homeowners need windows that are easy to maintain. Awning windows are designed with simplicity and durability in mind. Their outward opening mechanism allows you to clean the exterior glass from inside your home, making upkeep quick and convenient. Additionally, the high-quality materials used in awning windows require minimal maintenance, ensuring they stay functional and visually appealing for years to come. Enhanced security without sacrificing ventilation. While security is a concern for every homeowner, it's especially important in areas like Nampa, where open windows are a common sight during pleasant weather. Awning windows provide excellent security thanks to their design. They can be opened slightly for ventilation while still remaining secure, as the outward angle makes it difficult for intruders to access the window. Modern awning windows are also equipped with advanced locking systems and optional impact-resistant glass, offering peace of mind without compromising functionality. Versatile design for every style of home. Nampa's homes range from traditional to contemporary styles, and awning windows are versatile enough to complement any design aesthetic. Their clean, modern lines make them a popular choice for new builds, while their timeless functionality ensures they also blend seamlessly into older, more traditional homes. Awning windows can be used on their own or paired with larger fixed windows to create a stunning visual effect. Their compact size also makes them perfect for small spaces like bathrooms and kitchens, where ventilation and natural light are essential. Increased natural light and views. One of the standout benefits of awning windows is their ability to maximize natural light. Whether installed in living rooms, bedrooms, or kitchens, they allow sunlight to flood your home, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere. Their high placement on walls also ensures privacy while providing uninterrupted views of Nampa's beautiful surroundings. The natural light provided by awning windows not only enhances your home's aesthetic appeal but also helps reduce the need for artificial lighting, further lowering energy costs. A long-term investment. Installing awning windows in your Nampa home is a smart investment that pays off in multiple ways. Their durability and energy efficiency mean fewer replacements and repairs over time, while their ability to reduce energy bills adds to the long-term savings. Additionally, the enhanced curb appeal and functionality they provide can increase your property's resale value, making them a valuable addition to your home. Conclusion. Awning windows are the perfect fit for homes in Nampa, offering superior ventilation, energy efficiency, and weather resistance to handle the area's diverse climate. Their sleek design, low maintenance requirements, and enhanced security make them a practical and stylish choice for any homeowner. Whether you're renovating an older home or building a new one, awning windows provide the functionality and aesthetics needed to create a comfortable, efficient, and visually appealing living space. With their long-lasting benefits and ability to adapt to Nampa's unique weather, awning windows are a valuable investment for any home.